Hi guys, so I'm really excited because I just received this smart door handle set for viewing purposes, and I think it's really nice. It comes with two units, the lock and the doorknob, which I think it's nice. Okay, you can set it to auto lock or into privacy mode depending on what you need. You get all the dimensions to install the doorknob, which I think it's really nice, and it comes in a really well protected package with all the information, all the manuals. Okay, it's a matte black finish, which I think looks really nice, very classy. And this is the smart Deadbolt. Okay, as you can see, it's nice. It has a different design, the outside part and the inside part, which I think it's great. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think it's really nice. We can use the application to lock it and unlock it. Right now it's unlocked, but let me lock it. As you can see, I have in here the application. I'm gonna lock it. As you can see, it locks, and to unlock it I can use my fingertip. I'm gonna lock it again. I can use a passcode that I have made myself. I'm gonna place it in. As you can see, which is really nice. You also get these smart lock cards that you can use it just swiping them and it will unlock. I'm gonna lock it again, and I'm just gonna swipe it up, and as you can see, it opens up. And if you for any reason get stuck or something in this little space right here, we can push this button up and we can get this magnet piece out, take our keys and use it, which is really nice. It makes it easier to lock and unlock your door. Perfect for any situation if you run out of battery in your door or anything. And I think it's really nice. The design, it's beautiful. I like a lot the black metal finish, that it's matte, and overall it's really nice, really easy to install, as you can see, and I like it a lot. It has many different options to set up if you want a permanent code or a one-time code only, which I think is great. And overall I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.